Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, you probably finished high school or college and realized nobody taught you how money really works. Today we're breaking down the financial literacy gap, why schools fail to teach wealth building. Stick around, this could change how you build your future. Let's start with the numbers. According to the 2025 TIAA Institute GFLEC Personal Finance Index, the average adult in the U.S. only answers 49% of basic personal finance questions correctly. For Gen Z, it's just 38%. Most young people graduate without understanding compound interest, credit scores, or why an emergency fund beats the latest gadget. Yet 68 to 83% of teens and young adults say they want mandatory financial literacy classes in school. So why isn't it happening? Here's the hard truth. Modern schools weren't designed to create wealthy people. They were built in the industrial age to produce obedient workers who trade time for money. Standardized tests, college prep, and core subjects dominate the schedule. Personal finance is still treated as an optional extra. Even though 39 states now require some form of it as of 2026, most schools only offer weak versions. Most teachers get little to no training, and only about 34% of public high school students are guaranteed a proper standalone course. The results are painful. Millions leave school buried in student loans they don't understand, drowning in credit card debt, and stuck living paycheck to paycheck. Financial illiteracy keeps widening the wealth gap. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed. But here's the good news. You don't need school permission to close your own gap. Start small. Track every dollar for 30 days. Learn the difference between good debt and bad debt. Open a Roth IRA as early as possible. Free resources like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, budgeting apps, and investing podcasts can teach you more in 1 month than 12 years of school ever did. Schools may have failed us, but we don't have to fail ourselves. The gap is real, but so is your power to close it. Drop a comment. What's one money lesson you wish they taught in school? If this hit home, smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Next week, I'm sharing my exact 5-step wealth building plan I wish I knew at 18. Thanks for watching. Now, go build your financial future.